Namaste, my name is Snehal. I am a pranic healer and a Arhatic yogi practitioner, and here I am going to introduce you today with a very interesting prayer that is called forgiveness prayer, which was introduced by Master Cho, and it is used in pranic healing. So I want to tell you few things about this prayer. It is a very wonderful gift which Master has given us. So forgiveness prayer is a very best technique to release your anger, to release your grudges, to release your negative feelings about anybody around you. So this is something we carry, this is life, and I feel that we all go through this situations some or the other time, and what we do is we store these emotions of resentment, anger and grudges about people in our hearts. So in my practice I have realized that whenever cases of such anger or anxiety come to me, what I do is when I scan the patient, I found that there are congestion in their aura. Basically it is more into the solar plex chakra and in their heart chakra. So what exactly this do is, first of all, as we all know that energy follows thoughts. So if you hold on anger, anxiety or grudges or such kind of a negative emotions, it expands. So what forgiveness prayer do here is, it helps you to release this pattern of negative emotions, anger, then your grudges and the negative emotions of not forgiving people. So I feel that forgiveness can be done before or after twin heart meditation, but I would preferably tell you to do it afterwards, because as we meditate we draw a lot of energy from above, and it helps us to bless the other person very easily. So now this prayer is compartmentalized in three ways. Like first I'll do the invocation, second I will do the person whom I want to be forgiven or I want to forgive and ask for forgiveness, and the third part would be cutting the cords and asking for gratitude. So let us begin with the prayer. So you need to join your hands, fold your hands and put it in your heart center, and you need to say, so if you want to forgive someone, then imagine the person in front of you, that as if he is standing in front of you, and silently say, close your eyes and say, Atma Namaste, I salute the divinity within you. We are all children of God. We all make mistakes. We are evolving. You are forgiven. God's blessings be with you and with me. Go in peace. Om Shanti 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 Om. You need to repeat this prayer 7 times. Okay, and then the next part is, if you want to forgive someone, if you have hurt someone, then you want to forgive that person or ask forgiveness from that person, then it is like that. You need to imagine the person in front of you, standing in front of you, and say, Atma Namaste, I salute the divinity within you. We are all children of gods. We all make mistakes. We are all evolving. I ask for forgiveness for my mistakes. God's blessing and peace be with you and with me. Om Shanti Shanti Om. You need to Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. After this you need to repeat this prayer 7 times, and as I talked about the negative energetic cords which we need to cut from the person from which we are having grudges or resentment. So what you need to do is, you need to make your hand as if you need to imagine that your hand is a knife, and you need to hold it from your navel chakra, and you need to cut the cords. You need to imagine that you have holded the cord like pipe, and you need to hold it and you need to cut it, and you need to say it 3 times that I am cutting the negative cords from that person and throw these cords outside your window. So what will happen doing this? See, as we meet people around us, we are continuously generating cords. So it is not necessary there are only negative cords around us, there are positive cords as well, like the people who boost us, our morale, or the people who help us in our daily life. So they are the good cords. And the people who continuously drain our energy, who continuously talk negative, or the people with whom we are having negative emotions of anger or resentments, so that are the negative cords, and your heart knows whom you have the negative cords with. So what you need to do is you need to cut your cords and bless that person for peace and love. So stay tuned for more such videos, and Atma Namaste.